All right, we have number 3 in circle F. Notice that the line segment FH is congruent to line segment FL. FK is also equal to the value of 17. Also in the image, you notice that FH is 8. Okay, you're trying to find those 4 measurements, right? So a couple of things that you want to notice is that you want to first of all look at FL is also 8 because they are the same equal distance away. Okay, then to find LK, you notice it's a right triangle, so you could set up Pythagorean theorem. This is basically a squared plus b squared equals c squared, but I wrote it in terms of the line segment. Plug in the values, 8 squared is one of them. The hypotenuse is 17 squared, 17 was given. 64 is 8 squared, 17 squared is 289, right? Minus 64 to both sides, square root, you get LK equals to 15. LK is 15, therefore LM also has to be 15 because those parts are going to be congruent. If you add them together, you get the total of KM. So LK plus LM is KM. So 15 plus 15, that is 30. 30 is KM. Also notice KM and JM are also going to be congruent of 30. And the reason why is because they are they're the two chords that are intersecting and having the same distance apart. Okay, you have LK is 15, therefore JH is equal to LK, so JH is also equal to 15. Okay, notice that the right hand side of chord is going to be equal to the left hand side chord because FH is equal distance away from FL. Okay,